All
right, good morning, algebra. So I've got your graphing linear inequality notes here. Okay, so you're going to need a few things. You're going to need highlighters, and you're going to need a pencil or a pen to follow along. Okay, so first we have to remember that we're graphing a line. Okay, if you have equal to, if your equation or inequality has equal to with the line, you got to remember that the line is going to be solid. So it's going to be a solid line, no holes in it, no breaks or anything like that. But if it has no equal line, then it's dashed. It has holes in the line. Okay, so you got to remember that. Now, after that, we need to shade. Okay, we'll first let's get to graphing the line. Now remember, again, if there's no equal to line, you're going to graph this with like this with a dashed line. So first we started -1, and then it's down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3, follow the slope, and we go the other way. Up 1, left 3, up 1, left 3. And you want to get yourself a ruler as well. So I want to stop the video, make sure you have a ruler so you can make nice straight lines. Okay? Now again, if it'll be a dashed line, so don't make a complete line like that. And then you're going to put arrows on the end. Now the last part is the shade. Now, if you see y is greater than, so y is greater like this, you're going to shade up, above. So the shade goes above the line. But if it's y is less than, then you shade below the line. Okay? So this one is y is greater, so I want to shade everything above. Okay? And that's it. And then I say, what's an answer to the solution? Anything in here. Anything in here. This is a solution. This is a solution. So you could say 3 and 4. That's a solution. 3, 0. That's a solution. They're all solutions. But if it's a dashed line and it touches the line, it's not a solution. So right here, 3 and -2. Sorry, +3 -2. That's not a solution. No, because it touches a dashed line. Okay? Next page. Okay, so now, again, we're going to graph the line. Start at 2. And it's up 4, right 1. Up 4, right 1. We can't go any further, so I got to go down now. Down 4, left 1. And again, down 4, left 1. Now, there's an equal line. Equal line. So that means your line is solid. No holes in your line. Straight up like that. Arrows on the end. Now it says less than. So remember, less than, we shade down below the line. Okay? So now it's hard to see, but if you're looking at this, it's leaning to the right. So that means below is on this side. Below is on this side. If it leans this way, then you know it's the shade is here. If it leans this way, then the below is on this side. Okay? So now the next one. Again, start with the y-intercept, 6. This one is down 2, right 5, down 2, over 5. Can't go any more there. And I can't even go up the other way. So all I can do for this one is do 2 dots, and that's it. That's okay, though. Now here, again, we've got equal, the equal line. So we're going to do a solid line. Arrows on the end. And that is y is less. Less is below the line. Below the line. Under. Okay? And that's it. And again, the solution is any point here. Any point here in the shade. Now this one, these ones are different. They're not dashed. So a solution could be here. A solution could be here. Those are answers. So here for this one, 1, 6, that's good. Here, 5, 4, that's good. But anything over here, that's not good. So here, 4, 7, not good. Okay? But if it's solid, it's good. But again, if it's dashed and it touches the line, it's not good. Not a solution. Okay? So now we go down here again, -3. We go down 3, and then down to 3, starting point, and then down to right 1. Okay? Down to right 1. Then I want some more points going the other way, up to left 1. Up to left 1. Okay, so now this is going to be a dashed line. No line, so dashed. Arrows on the end. And y is greater than. Greater than. So we're going to shade above the line. Now it's leaning to the left, so that means above is to the right. Okay, any point here. Now this one, same thing. The only difference is, look, there's an X, but there's no number over here. So that means it's +0. Starting point is 0. Start at 0. We go down 4, right 1. Can't go down 4 again, so I go up 4, then left. Can't go up there, so all I have is 3 points, but that's okay. So now again, look at your inequality. It says y is less than, but it has a line, so we need to make a solid line. If it has the equal, yusawi. There. And now if you look, it's leaning to the left. And it says y is less, so below is here on the left. Okay? Okay, now this one. If you notice, there's no x. So then that means that this line goes straight across. Because remember, if it's just y and just a number, it's straight across. Okay, so we go to -4. But now, again, it says greater than with no equal. No yusawi. So now we know it's dashed. It has holes in it. So again, we just go across, but now with dashes. Okay, there's arrows. But then this one's pretty easy. It's easy to see what's above, what's below. Y is greater, so then we know that we go above. So that could be an answer. 1, 2, that's good. If I'm right here on the line, remember dashed, that's not good. So this one is 3, and what is that? 3 minus 4? That is not a solution because it touches a dashed line. If it touches a solid line, we're good to go. So like here, again, -1 and 4, that's good because it's solid. Now, sometimes the equation isn't ready for you to graph. You have to change it first. So here, again, we need to switch and divide. So here, that 2x is on the wrong side. Here's my line. I switch the 2x. And remember, it's plus 2x, so now it's minus. So now I have 3y less than minus 2x. Always put the x first when we do these. When we graph, we do y equals mx plus b, because this is what we want it to look like. We want x to be first and then the number. So now plus 6, and then the last thing we have to do is divide the 3 to all the numbers. Divide all the numbers. This goes away, and then y is less. It doesn't change. We only change if it's dividing negative. And then -2 over 3, I can't divide, so it's just -2 over 3. And then 6 divided 3 is 2. Now I can graph the line. Now I go up to 2, and I go down 2, right 3, down 2, right 3, and I go back up the other way, up 2, left 3, up 2, left 3. Okay, so now I have an equal line here. So if I have equal, again, that means I need to do a dashed line, a solid line with arrows always. And it's y is less, so we shade below.